These three animals are nature's biggest mysteries, but the last one will break your brain. But first, if you care about this dog, comment a heart and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Number 3. Goblin shark. It lives deep in the ocean and shoots its jaws forward to grab prey in an instant. It looks so strange. People thought it was fake. Number 2. Saola. It's called the Asian unicorn because it's so rare that almost nobody has seen one in the wild. Number 1. Okapi. It has zebra stripes, a giraffe's closest DNA, and a tongue so long it can clean its own eyes. Nature really mixed everything together to create this animal.